So, eto, rwan, naethoch chi ddyfalu'n iawn.
Dyfalu?
Dyfalu.
Dyfalu?
To guess.
Oh.
It's a great word, isn't it?
It is Dyfalu.
Dyfalu.
Sounds American.
In the valley.
In the valley.
So what I want you to do is imagine like loads of people in this big valley, all trying to guess that it was Jedward. In the valley.
I like the visual learning.
Mae'n bwysig.
It's bwysig. Visualise it. People in a valley guessing if it's Jedward or not. Perfect. I'll never forget it.
No.
Diolch yn fawr. Fi'n cofio now.
We'll check at the end of the programme.
Dyfalu. Dyfalu.
Dyfalu.
Nesa. Right.
Iawn.
Well, we've got a guest coming up soon, haven't we?
Mari Grug.
Mari Grug. Hot Mari Grug.
Hot Mari.
Mari Grug boeth. So I need to get learning. Amser ymarfer.
You're going to impress Mari Grug.
I'm going to impress Mari Grug.
OK.
Mari Tywydd Grug.
Mari Tywydd.
Let's do this.
OK, right. Best chatterpline ever for you, Matt.
I'm listening.
Hey, baby, what's your favourite season? I teach you all the... You're going to be single forever. Stick with me, you'll be all right.
Hey, baby. Shwmai, baby.
There we are. I knew you'd know how to say that.
Yeah.
Right, so...
Toby fel bach. Hey, baby. Shwmai. Shwmai tywydd. Come on.
Right.
Serious.
So, you know how to say, what is your favourite? Because remember, like, all those years ago, in our first programme, you asked Bryn, what's your favourite food, what's your favourite wine, all those things.
Beth ydy dy hoff? Bwsh.
Bwsh.
Done.
Season.
Beth ydy dy hoff?
Dymordi.
Dymordi.
Beth ydy dy hoff dymordi?
Beth ydy dy hoff? Dymordi.
Da iawn.
Yeah.
Or what's your favourite weather, baby?
Baby? Do I have to say baby?
Na, mae'n iawn.
I'm not going to pull.
Beth ydy dy hoff dywydd di?
Beth ydy dy hoff? Dywydd di?
Yeah, choose either or.
What's your favourite weather?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Let's not milk it too much, right?
Yeah.
And wedyn we'll go, instead of, we're going to use hoffi, or lico, as you can say.
Lico.
So let's ask her, does she enjoy presenting the weather on S4C?
What if she doesn't? She hates it. She's never going to admit that.
No, she isn't. She's going to say she loves it.
She's going to say, yeah.
But I wonder, like, is she interested in the weather? Does she know about the weather?
Does she study weather?
Meteoroleg.
Meteoroleg.
Yeah, nawn ni weld. Wyt ti'n hoffi?
Wyt ti'n hoffi?
Do you like? You know that.
Wyt ti'n hoffi?
What's present?
Cyflwyno.
Weather.
Tywydd.
On S4C.
Ar S4C.
Perffaith. Wyt ti'n hoffi cyflwyno'r tywydd ar S4C?
Wyt ti'n hoffi cyflwyno'r S4C? Wyt ti'n hoffi cyflwyno'r tywydd ar S4C?
Right, so see this structure. Wyt ti'n hoffi cyflwyno'r tywydd ar S4C?
Yeah.
Now, she doesn't just present the weather,
No.
she presents events as well. Right, I love this word. OK, I'm going to put this down for this, iawn? Ready? Bit of rhythm, iawn, Matt? You've got to say events, digwyddiadau.
Digwyddiadau.
Perfect, digwyddiadau.
Digwyddiadau.
So one event is digwyddiad.
Digwyddiad.
See, the accent's in somewhere different, isn't it? It's always in the last syllable but one, the penultimate.
Digwyddiadau.
Digwyddiadau.
Digwyddiad.
Exactly.
Okay.
So what we're going to say is, do you like presenting the digwyddiadau on S4C?
Wyt ti'n hoffi cyflwyno digwyddiadau ar S4C?
Exactly. And she also does the steddfod, so take tywydd out, or take digwyddiadau out, and use steddfod.
Wyt ti'n hoffi cyflwyno'r eisteddfod ar S4C? Da iawn. Diolch yn fawr.
Dim problem.
Diolch yn fawr. We'll go over that again while the people at home watch a little bit of Mari Grug. Enjoy.